हेलो, हु इज दिस?
सर, हम मुकुल तिवारी फ्रॉम बलराम एजुकेशन काउंसलिंग से बात कर रहे हैं। क्या आपको एडमिशन का जरूरत होगा?
आप कौन से कॉलेजेस में एडमिशन प्रोवाइड करते हैं?
टॉप कॉलेजेस में आपका एडमिशन करवा सकते हैं। आप बस नाम लीजिए।
मारी स्टेट यूनिवर्सिटी।
सर जी, बिल्कुल हो सकता है, कहाँ ही नहीं हो पाएगा। हम आपको व्हाट्सएप पे डिटेल्स भेजते हैं। अभी आप व्हाट्सएप पे हमारा रिप्लाई। आर्यन जी, आप क्या कर रहे हैं? हमारा क्लाइंट है, मारेंगे हम आपको। हमारा क्लाइंट है, हमें बात करने दीजिए। हाँ जी।
इज द मेन पी ब्लॉक और इसके साइड में दिस इज द फर्स्ट बार। इसके आगे पेत्रोचका और लेफ्ट साइड में मगनीत। इफ़ यू वांट टू बाय समथिंग, अगर तुम्हें लेक्चर के बीच में भूख लग गई तो तुम वहाँ जा सकते हो। और दिस इज़ ऑल्सो पार्क टेक थिंग, जहाँ मोस्टली लोग स्मोकिंग करने के लिए जाते हैं। लेट मी टेक यू इनसाइड द पी ब्लॉक। Just right there we have canteen in our P block. Here you can do the breakfast. And अगर ये स्कैन नहीं होता तो यहाँ मिरर है जहाँ हम ऑलमोस्ट सेल्फी लेते हैं। So here we have cafeteria area, like in that we have canteen area, and here we can sit and eat. In the canteen there is also seats, but here we can sit and study also. So from here is the way to auditorium, but there is some work going on, that's why we are not allowed to go there. So let's go to first floor, I guess second floor. Second floor. And if you have card and you need cash, so here is the machine. So guys, हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी शीश महल से कम नहीं है, क्योंकि यहाँ हमें हर फ्लोर पे मिरर मिलेगा। And now we are at the second floor and I want to show you something. So this is the machine जहाँ हम अपना शेड्यूल देख सकते हैं कि in which room we have class and who is our teacher. So everything you can see from here. And that is the auditorium that is also closed due to some work. ये जो सीधा जाओगे ना भाई, ये हमारी सबसे अच्छी जगह है, that is library. Oh my God! Wow! So library is about to close. So this is our library. That's why all the lights are off. There are computers also. If you want to study online, you can use the computers. लाइब्रेरी का सबसे फेवरेट एरिया, क्योंकि यहाँ हम आराम से रेस्ट कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि ये कर रही है अभी। आलसी आजा। Let's move on to the third floor. Third floor, again mirror. And there is a coffee machine. Wait, I'll show you. अगर तुम्हें कुछ मीठा खाना हो और तुम्हारे पॉकेट में पैसे भी नहीं हो, तो what you have to do is, अरे यार गाइस, ये है शाखर,
नियत शक्कर नादा
ले सकते हो, लेकिन वो खत्म हो चुकी है। सो इट्स ओके। कॉरिडोर, अनदर कॉरिडोर। यहाँ हम पहले कभी नहीं आए, बस ये ब्लॉग शूट करने जा रहे हैं। कॉरिडोर, दिस इज वेरी ह्यूज बिल्डिंग, like including 4 floors and so many rooms. Let's go. We are going to the last floor, that is 4th floor. फिर से हमारा शीशा, एक और शीशा दोस्तों। So here is our ground, like indoor ground, which includes so many sports. So So let's see whether it is open or closed. This is our basketball, volleyball, badminton ground. जो भी है, this is what it is. Are the washroom. Moshina means male and Rainshana means female washroom. Let's get inside the girls' washroom. Rainshana. So
We are going to simulation center to cover.
we
everything
have
required.
to
It's basic,
carry our second pair of
basic
shoe.
rule.
Rather.
In D block and in this block.
Yeah.
Let's go. In center here we do GPC class, practice and many more things, and it is attached Adil. We have more stations like 1 to 6, and in attached Dua we have 7 to 18 stations. This is our practice room. Here we do CPR, first aid, and today we do the bandage practice. ओवेश बोला थारा गाड़ी धीरे चला, इतनी सस्ती दारू मत।
सर क्या हो गया? अरे अनमोल ने
भाई सस्ती दारू मत पियो, सस्ती दारू पिए हालत होती है।
Get some help.
सो जाती हूँ थोड़ी देर बस। अरे वो पहन देने के माथे पे टंगी। रुक जा। ठीक है, पाव दबा दे अब 4 घंटे। कार्टून बना दे बस कर दे। Translator ma'am and
ECG. It's probabilistic course.
Okay, ma'am.
And some of the stations are for some of the stations for
Okay, here's the room.
the classroom.
Class is going on.
there are some also stations for pharmacology. For
Okay.
pharmacology departments, they are separate departments of the.
Thank you, ma'am, for the information. Which department is this?
This is our attached
I for I station.
opti.
This is our B block, and the campus is really beautiful of Mari State University. This is the entrance.
Let's go inside the big block. The Margu store. Here you can purchase the stuff related to Mari State University, like you will get
Merchandise.
the logo wherever. So guys, there is the entrance. From there we enter. From there we enter to the B block, and these are auditorium that are on the ground floor. And just next to them there is library. Let's get inside the library.
You can put your essential stuff. The cabinet are allotted to you. You have to mark the entry. Let's go. And from there you can issue any book from any author, like Indian author or foreign author.
Guys, now let's go to the second floor. Let's go. So these are the corridor from where we have our dean office and important people's office. And here are our some classmates.
So guys, what you are doing here in Vlog?
Guys, we came from Dean Ma'am's office. We submitted
Why there is need to go to Dean's office? Huh?
because we have to submit our roadmap.
What is roadmap? Just explain
Roadmap.
to
This is road, and we have to cross this roadmap.
guys. Roadmap. If you will take any absent in any important class like anatomy or
He's
histology,
lying. Don't believe.
I'm not like right. Explain about the roadmap. What is roadmap?
Actually, we missed histology class because we were dancing Carnival Fest, Carnival nights.
So that's why they have to submit the roadmap. Like they have to self study for extra 2 hours. Thank you.
मेरा नहीं था मैं तो मीटिंग
हाँ, we just went to.
I am leader. I am guiding you to the. Hey, I am.
So guys, let me show you the class from inside. That how our classes are in Vlog. So we have projector, and we have our whole setup there. And this is our class. All class are like almost similar. So that's why we are not going to show you each and every class. So in this floor we have Dean's office, so we have to maintain the silence. Let's go slowly. This. So this next to the office we have cafeteria. Here you can study by sitting here and make some coffee for yourself. So guys, we three are recording this university tour for you guys. So please like and share our videos.
यही करना पड़ता है गाइस यहाँ पे.
Like, subscribe, share, comment.
Classes attend.
हाँ, first we attended our classes, then we thought to make the university tour
For you guys.
for you guys.
फिर यहाँ पर ये करो. किसी का कैमरामैन बनो.
Yes, it's not like that, ठीक है ना?
But genuinely अच्छा लगता है.
हाँ,
For you
we
guys.
enjoy to make the videos.
फ्री का काम करने में अच्छा लगता है गाइस.
So from Vlog there is a Vlog canteen. There you will find so many things to eat, like from ice cream to fruits to like proper lunch, pizza. So guys, let's enter to the Vlog canteen. So here you will find the fruits. Recording the vlog, and here you will find stuff related to bhaiya. These are the ice cream options. So guys, यहाँ पे जो भी आपने लिया है, you can just उसको गर्म कर सकते हो.
We have
खा
taken
सकते हो.
chocolate.
Go to the second floor where you will get proper lunch. There is so much rush. Canteen is looking so good. है ना यार? The vibe is nice. And the window. Waiter, come fast.
Microwave.
Here you will get this coffee sachet and hot water. You just have to put this into the hot water and cocoa powder also, and your coffee is ready within 10 seconds. लैंड करने वाले हैं ई ब्लॉक में.
So guys, this is a E-block. In this block, the medical physics subject takes place, and which is very hectic, to be honest. But it's very interesting, and let's give you a brief introduction of this E-block as well. Just follow me. So this is our main entrance, and this is the main reception area. So during our break, we can spend some time playing chess with crewmates and just to energize yourself. There's a vending machine and there's a coffee vending machine as well. And yeah, if you need some money
That we don't have.
there's an ATM as well. So this is the jacket room. So it's secure now. And then we need to get inside this room. This is the main entrance through which we can go to third floor, second floor, first floor. And it's very hectic, to be honest. So kinds of floors. And here we need a lot of power to open the door. Very fat boy.
Wait. Here we are, guys, shooting this vlog.
Here
We have 2 corridors.
sanitize our hands. Precaution is better than cure. Where all the classrooms are situated. So guys, here at the end terminal of floor, here you can see a huge court. There's a stadium, there's a gym area, there's a volleyball court, there's a football court, and a lot of things, but we don't have time to play on that. Another thing which we can't depict. And there's
So guys, they started playing chess. Let's see how they are going. Guys, कैसा चल रहा है मैच?
We are just started yet. Let's see.
चल भाई चल.
this is king, no?
No.
Don't take मजे of them.
Chal.
This is how refilling of vending machine is done. This is the ground, pretty. And there is the D block. And there is our court, football court and volleyball court.
So guys, this is our D block. This D block has most of mysterious things inside, which I can't speak. I'm just speechless. But it's totally crazy classes. Some of them are quite emotional, quite hectic, and
Like histology and anatomy.
that's the most interesting thing which I have ever seen in my whole university life till now. 3 months only.
I just want to share one experience of yes. Yes, should I?
Yeah,
That
no.
one. That one. Okay guys, let's be quiet. So here is the entrance.
So here, the first floor belongs to anatomy,
Huh.
and the sorry, cut karna.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
This first floor belongs to anatomy, where we can see cadavers, where we can have some lectures, some classes, and we can some borrow bones as well. And above the floor, which is a third floor and second floor, belongs to histology, where you can study cells, and that's
Under
most
the
interesting.
microscope.
Yes, and there you can feel a pain on your head as well if you study a lot, just like me. So guys, this is the floor where anatomy lecture takes place, and this is the staff room where we can borrow bones for self-study. Now I'll show you. It depends on the availability of the teacher only. Bones.
Wait.
As I said, the availability of teacher, it depends only upon. So if the teacher is present, so just
You will
by
get the
showing
bone.
the student card, it's stuck, I guess. See, it's a student card. By showing this card, on the cameras. Yeah.
Just recording.
Group. LD 123. 1, 2, 3. Yep.
So you have to sit here after taking the bone and just
This is the place you can self-study wounds. So just as
Yes,
I-
just explain the humorous.
This is the wound, and it is of right hand side wound, and this is the head of humerus, which is caput humeri. This is a greater tubercle, which is known as tuberculum major.
Guys, he is also telling in Latin. You don't have to tell in Latin, okay? I know you learned.
Tuberculum minus, and this is a sulcus, which is known as sulcus.
And the muscle attaches latissimus dorsi,
The latissimus dorsi,
which is the muscle of back.
I guess, and
Nahi, attach, insert.
insertion inserts you, and then this is the
Lower part in which we have medial epicondyle, lateral epicondyle, trochlear capitulum, blah blah blah. So this is how it works. You can take the bone by giving your student ID, and after studying you can return again.
And this is the thing which we have to learn in just 15 days.
Muscle of whole body with their origin, insertion, nerve supply,
I need some
action.
place to cry in this. So guys, that was our anatomy room. Now we are heading towards histology. It's, as always, mostly silent. Not a single pin drop. It's like a truly.
Auditorium. Let me see if anyone. So this is the auditorium of the block.
It's a wall of fame. One day, our batch will be released.
Definitely.
Classes are going on. It's this nice. And that's the most to.
So we are heading toward the histology class. You can see the microscopes.
Each and every block, we have some hunger, no? We just interrupt our strong study session. Just
Interrupt.
to overcome, here we have vending machine.
This is the football court, and just next to it is volleyball court. This is B block. This is V block. There is hostel. There is E block. This is D block, and just there we have P block. So this is the over 360 view of our university, and there is cricket ground. Let me show you that. So this is the cricket ground. So guys, this is our B block.
Let's go inside. As you can see, in each block we have this vending machine. This is first floor. Now we are going
We are showing the main thing of this vlog, that is,
gym area and sports area.
yeah.
See the trophies. Here we come to the gym. The gym is open.
Oh, lucky enough. There are so many equipments.
Balls.
Oh, I want to just do that. We have to.
So she is walking in the forest.
With a nice view of hills.
Oh. Different weighted dumbbells, and there is more than my weight dumbbell. This is for me only. I can lift 10 kg.
Man, it's too much.
No, I
Nice.
can. Another 5. Where is the 10 kg? Because I went gym in India, that's why I can.
But she don't look like that she went to gym.
Shrug.
Come to the main point.
Dumbbell curls.
Yeah.
Actually, left hand is weak, so
I'll do my right.
is quite impossible.
Now she is lifting 20 kgs.
Let pull.
Whatever.
We have gone to gym. Now let's go to
I guess that is yoga something and
yoga and volleyball court. So this is our volleyball court of B block. Here we play volleyball, of course, and we have physical training classes.
here when there were winters.
Yeah. Now we are doing practice. But
Outside,
After practice,
Nowadays we are playing there because it's summertime.